No doubt, but
Yeah, no, we're good.
Yes, sir. What but? Next. Okay. The second one. Create an array with list of students. Display the student details in even number positions, odd number positions. What does it mean? So if you go to filters.com or some data whatever we receive. So I would like to display the students details which is in 1, 3, 5 odd numbers and 2, 4, 6 like that in even numbers. So this is what the second assignment indicates. Clear?
How do we do that?
Is it clear?
Yeah, but like, how do we do that? Like, how do we, how do we assign to display in odds and evens?
See, create two arrays. One is even student, one is other what do you call it, odd student.
Ah, okay.
Loop it through all the arrays, and if it is index position is 0, index position is 1, just check out now how to what do you call it, how to check even number and odd numbers. Based on the condition, if it is odd, move the student into what do you call it, odd student array. If it is even, move the student into even student array. Finally, you can display the data of the two arrays.
You think I could do that?
You have to try. If you get stuck, I will explain you.
Okay, got it. All right, no problem. I will try.
Just try from your end. I can explain you in detail if you are not able to do it, because this is where so far you have spent good amount of time to cover the basics, but now time came to check whether we can apply the logic actually whatever we have learned so far. Just observing some CRUD applications, going through some basics is not going to work in our real-time industry. The challenges will be completely different once you go to the companies inside that. So that's what I'm just trying to do that brainstorming. How can you apply the logic? At least kept the program aside. Try to find out the logic. May have clear picture about it. If you are not able to do it, I can explain the next session. That's not a problem for me. But at least try from your end at least once.
Yeah, yeah.
Pawan gar, is it clear?
Yeah, is it clear? Clear.
Sir,
You could do this?
Come
Hey,
again?
Pawan.
No, even I was to also try actually, and I'm not sure about it.
Oh, okay. All right, good. We're on the same page.
Yeah.
It's okay. Okay. Now, fourth one. Create a simple.
Would you have an example for it? Like what are you expecting? Like, do you have an already created assignment of this, or we can just have a look at it, like how you're expecting?
If you want
That
the.
would give us an idea.
No, I don't want
I got it. See, I have online applications which is already online. Live applications also is there. I can send you the screenshots if it is required by.
Yeah, I can send you a screenshot that will show us a
Sure.
guiding
I will send you the screenshots of the same. I think you can go through that. At least you will be getting an idea.
Yeah.
But whatever the others, whatever it is understandable for you, you please go ahead with that. Whatever the screenshot I do have, I can send you by tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. No.
When is this?
Come again, Ankit.
Like, do we send you like each once every day, or?
No. It has to be completed maybe 1 or 2 days, because the same application has to be done in jQuery, JavaScript as well.
Oh my God! All of this, 19 of them in one day?
Maybe 2 days. You take your own time. Only 2 days.
Oh my God! You're crazy, man.
No, it won't be that much. Maybe it look like 19 is a big number. You try from your end. How much you can do it, you can do it. No, I definitely I think you will be you will get, if you get stuck in any one of the place. I will explain you how can we apply the logic. How can we get out of it.
Okay. All right.
Okay, the fourth one. Create simple array list of city names with a select box. Select box means it's
Well, this is
drop
jQuery or JavaScript
It's
do we
pure
create?
JavaScript. I want this entire to be done in pure JavaScript until up to line number 18. I think 17th application.
Crap. Okay. All right.
Okay. Now, fourth one. Create simple array list of city names with a select box. On selection of that particular city, we should get full details of the city. The spelling mistake. We should get full details of the city. The on-change event, what I mean to say. Select means you know right. It's a drop-down box, select boxes. So there should be a list of what do you call it, select boxes, list of cities in the drop-down. If I select one city, I should get that particular city's details like population, where it is, some information, maybe the picture of the city, something like that. Clear? Any doubt in this?
Yes. The question is clear.
Okay. Fifth one. Create an array with state details in India. Maybe Ankit, you can relate with your country. Display all the states. On click of that state name, display the state details. This is on change event, line number 4, assignment number 4, and this is on click event. On click event, I have covered lot of stuff in CRUD application. Means whichever state I am clicking, I want to get that particular state's full information. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Insert an input box for the above example. For the fifth example, once user enters any state details and click the button, that particular state details has to be visible. Means if I click that state name, then also I should be able to get the full details of that particular city. I want to have one search option. If I enter some city name,
That means do we need to use iframe?
uh, not exactly in iframe. You can have one div separately. In that you can also inject that. You can capture and display in that.
So that means we'll have a list, and when we click it, what happens? A new page should come, or what should happen?
I have not mentioned any new page. In the same page also insert one div. In the div, display the data.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
if you want to go to to the next page, you have to bring these details to the next page. Then you have to do lot of stuff, storing the data to the local storage, then capturing in that page. Some more thing,
Okay.
it will become bit complicated, at least in this stage. Of course, I have covered that kind of application in the later session, coming assignments. And right now it is very simple, just displaying data. Once you click the data, let the data display in the same page. And I would like to have one one input box in that whichever city name we enter, the particular city name we have to search in the existing list of cities, then we can states, then we can get the data. Basically a search function which I want to implement in the existing data. Okay, now coming to 7. Add a simple form to the above example. Once user enters the state details, that detail has to be added to the array and it has to be visible in list. It's simple, creating additional record and adding it to above.
Yeah.
Like, how to create we have done, because all these similar kind of code snippets are already there in our CRUD applications. Only thing is you have to find out the correct code snippet. That's it. Everything is there. How to add it, how
Want to
to
add it on the top or the bottom?
wherever you want, wherever you're comfortable. If If you use append, it will be on the top. If you use prepend, it will be on the bottom. But anyway, since we are going to do with the JavaScript, you are going to just push it inside that array, and then you are going to re-invoke the display data function.
Okay.
Okay, now two buttons called hide and show. Image should be do respective action. Means if I click on hide button, the image has to be hidden. If I click show button, the image has to be re-invoked. It has to be displayed. Very simple. First do it in the JavaScript. Basically, this stuff, how to manipulate the CSS properties. In this, we will be starting doing some changes, doing some manipulation of the CSS. Now, image gallery, 4 images in a page. Click on image should be bigger size. Image gallery. Let me explain you in detail in this paint. So this should be something like this. Whichever element I click, that particular element has to be visible here in the top. Sorry. Bottom there will be small images, 4 small images. Once I click on that particular image, that has to be enlarged and displayed it in the top. Clear?
Yeah.
Ankit, why?
I mean, the question is clear.
In that statement only you are giving a reverse question to me. Is it going to be full or not? Now the line, what do you call assignment number 10. Click or hover event on a button. Width height of the button should be increased. 1 second, this is not clear. Let me click hover event on the button width height.
Okay, got it.
Acha, okay. There should be 2 buttons. Once you click, that particular button size has to be changed. Or once you mouse over that particular, basically, that button has to react with your mouse event. Either it could be click event, either it could be mouse over or mouse out event. That's what I mean to say. Click or hover on an event. Click or hover event on a button. Let me make it clear, this one.
Can we do it on click and give it a class that way?
I think can be done. Basically, this is related to that particular button's CSS styles or background colors related to that stuff. Means there is some fishy is there. Whichever element we are clicking, that particular button, whichever button we are clicking, whichever button we are mouse overing, that particular button has to be behave accordingly as per our what do you call it? Whatever stuff we give. Either it could be CSS stuff or either it could be background color, whatever it is. Basically, it has to react for that. Okay. Now 11, form validation and list of data in a page, edit and delete. I think this I have done, CRUD application I have done. The only thing is do some form validation for assignment number 7. Means we are creating a simple form, right, to add a record. So for that, please add, what do you call it, validate the data. Do some form validation for the assignment number 7. Okay. Create digital clock. I think this I have not covered. These two I will cover right now. I will explain you with the time intervals. I have not. We have not discussed about time intervals in JavaScript, right?
No.
No.
That we will discuss. Create an app to show the list of states in India. When you click on that particular state, all the districts has to be visible. This is different from assignment number 5. This is different assignment number 5. In this, whichever object already displayed, that particular object's detail you are going to display, show it here. But here in line number 14, you are going to send a AJAX request. AJAX has to be implemented to fetch the district's details. So here we are not going to invoke any AJAX in line number 5, assignment number 5, but here in assignment number 14, we need to use AJAX to fetch the data.
Mm-hmm.
Then when you click on that particular district name, all the famous cities and towns has to be appear related to that particular district. Same, use AJAX to retrieve the information. Oh, I have already given here.
So can we create like multiple arrays and put it in different files and just like call it on click?
Yes, right. That's how we have to do it. But only thing is, don't call all the cities names in single event. Try to pass the parameter. For example, you have a some 10 cities names, I don't know, 10 state names displayed. Whichever state you are clicking, that particular state's name has to be sent as a parameter.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry, you just start, you just finish how much you can. Then if you get stuck, please let me know. From there I will explain you how to do it. Okay, 15. Create an application to show the list of students and click a student name. A pop-up has to appear with the student details. In the pop-up, edit option has to be appear. Once you click edit, all fields has to be changed to edit mode. You have to be able to edit the student's information and save. I think we have done in CRUD application, right? Pavan Garu?
Yeah, we have done. Yeah, we have done.
Same logic you can use it here.
Okay.
The pop-up one. Then create an application with an image of 3 by 3. What does mean by 3 by 3 is very simple. So images will be like this. Okay, on mouse over on that particular image, on mouse over on the image, that particular image has to be zoom with a bigger size, like how we do in Flipkart application.
Okay.
I have mentioned here, similar to Flipkart application. Okay, this create RESTful app. This I have already covered with test.lean lean code. If you can able to do it, please do it. Otherwise, I can cover it in the coming session also. This to create an image slider application with left and right arrow. This image slider, I am going to explain it right now by using time intervals. Maybe these three, I will give you the clear picture right now only. Copy this. Think apart from this and these three, because I have not covered the time related stuff, these three I will do it right now. All other assignments you can start. Okay, boss. Ankit, bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will send you the updated one. Now let me explain you how can I do the digital clock and countdown application. And I think I have missed one audio player application as well, right? Ankit?
Yeah. Player is missing.
I think assignment number audio player. This I will explain because this I have not. Of course, there is no new stuff is going to be coming to the picture in audio player application, but still, say we have not discussed. I will explain. Now let me start with the digital clock. Oh. Okay. Before that, let me explain you what does this time intervals. What are the time intervals in JavaScript and how we are going to use it. There are three methods of inbuilt time related methods in JavaScript, that is called set timeout, set interval, clear interval. Set timeout is after 5 seconds you want to do some task. So that kind only once after 5 seconds, after 1 second, after 2 seconds, you want to perform some task that you can add it in set timeout, like where some set timeout say hello, comma 1000 seconds. Now let me create this function. Function say hello, let hello. Then run this. After 1 second I should get the hello. If I make it some 5000, maybe some 5 seconds, after running this application, after 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now I should get the alert message. This is what timeout is. Okay. Okay, now if I use instead of timeout, if I use time interval, set time interval, so every 5 seconds, make it 2 seconds. So every 2 seconds, that function has to be invoked. I think some spelling mistake. Console. No, set interval. This is not time interval. This is set interval. Every 2 seconds, this will keep on run. Clear?
Okay.
Now. And this is what about time. Let me explain one more thing. In JavaScript, we do have some where today's date equal to new dot date. Document dot write today's date. When I run this application, every 1 second, this time has to be displayed in this page. So it is automatically getting added. Okay. Make it console.log today's date. See, every 1 second that particular function is getting invoked.
Okay.
Okay, now this is what time interval and date method in JavaScript. Now, how can I get the local how do you call it, time string? So just let me check how to get local. To local string method. I think yes, to local string. Okay, go to the code where local time equal to today's date dot local string and have one h1 here, id equal to time. Now document dot get element by id time dot inner html equal to local time. When I run this, I should be able to see the local date and time will be automatically done. I don't want the date. I want only time to be visible. I think we have more method. Just let me explain. To local string. To local string. to local date string or time string. Time string. To local time string. Yes, only time. This block of code you can put wherever you want to show the time. It's very straightforward. Just create a function which can display the time. Call this time every 1 second with the time interval. That's it. Any doubts?
No, clear.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, Professor.
Yeah.
Fine.
Oh,
Create a countdown timer app. Okay. How can I make it as a countdown timer app? Go to the code. Okay. Control count down. .html, HTML, input, type text, sorry, make it number, ID, user, input, button, start, countdown. Okay, basically if I type 1, maybe click on start countdown. So it should start 59, 58, 57. This is what our expectation is. Okay. Okay. Now go to the code. Print. Click of this function. Start countdown. Copy this function. Where user input equal to document get elements by ID of this user input dot value to create a variable called where seconds remaining okay. Now seconds remaining equal to user input into 60. Okay. Next, start countdown. Okay. So this where dot equal to set interval show (2000) where show function show h1 id result. Document dot get element by id result dot inner html equal to seconds remaining minus minus. On this if I type 1 start countdown, some problem what happened. Kit spelling mistake.
Element ELEMU.
It's not a function. What happened?
Element spelling, sir. ELEMU. First line, 16 line number.
Okay, string. Acha, right. What happened? Why it is not invoking second time? So okay. This should not be here, right? Should be general. Oh, what happened? Sure. This should be here, I think so. Click this. Super. But there is one problem. If I type 2, if I give start countdown, it will coming as 120, which is not right. It should be 1 minute 2 seconds something it has to come, right?
Yeah.
So what to do that? To sort out this, let me create where minutes remaining minutes remaining equal to seconds remaining divided by 60 math dot flow minutes remaining then seconds remaining equal to seconds remaining minus minutes remaining to 60. It work? Let us check. No. Something is wrong. If I give 3, okay, it is coming 3. Next time. So if I enter 2, it will become 120. Minutes remaining 20. So it is always coming as a 0. In that case, two should come here. Why is it doing like this? Start countdown. Not right. Seconds remaining, we are capturing correctly. Okay, fine. Minutes remaining, math.flow, capturing.
I think the user input will be 2 or 3 or something like that. Maybe that's what is happening.
Sources, counter. For example, if I enter 2, start countdown. So user input will be 2. Now it will be calculated as a 2. Now when I jump to the next line, seconds remaining, fine. And okay, coming to these. Now minutes remaining, right now it is undefined. So minutes remaining, math.flow. Okay. Minutes remaining should not be 2 here. Minutes remaining should be 1 here.
I think we need to take the seconds, not the minutes. No? Okay, they're not. Okay, okay. The minutes and seconds separately.
That's, I think logic wise it is okay. Maybe I am doing something wrong in the syntax wise.
And where is it getting decreased?
Come again?
Where it is getting decreased?
Here it is, line
Remaining.
number 22. After displaying it,
Okay, seconds remaining.
yeah, when it is coming to line number 22, it is getting decreased. The problem is, here it should not be, 2.50. Here it should be 1.59. It should not be 2.2 minute 0. That is the main thing.
So it should be minus 1,000 or something like that, minus 1 or something like that.
Something, I think in that case, let me do it here only. Let me control X. Let's remove. Oh, oh, okay. Okay, I will check and let you know. I think I need to do some little bit debugging. Just some syntax. I'm doing mistake here. Let me check and let you know. A countdown application. Image slider application also. I will explain this countdown application. Syntax will be same. I mean logic will be same for this image slider application also. Okay, because same similar kind of time based what do you call time intervals based application only, that is. I think you would be able to do it if I can able to clear this time based application. Image slider you can able to do it, and this audio player application I will explain. It's completely HTML5. We are going to take HTML5 audio player, audio video elements are there, no newly introduced elements. With this, we are going to create an audio player application. This I will explain it tomorrow.
Okay.
I will explain that application, and then I will cover balance jQuery stuff also. Meanwhile, you go through these
Okay.
applications. If any doubt, please note on the points we will discuss tomorrow.
Okay. So this.
Okay?
Hello. Yeah. Okay. No problem.
Okay then. Okay.